What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is DANII, but you can call me Rashida, same yada 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 yada. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but I would love for you to do that. You know what I'm saying? Today I am coming to you with a new Dollar Tree home decor haul slash artwork and stuff that I've been doing slash well, let me start by saying this is my wall of inspiration behind me. I did a video on this about a week ago because I wanted to start this wall. I told you guys in a couple of videos that I wanted to start a wall of inspiration with these inspirational quotes and motivational signs or paintings, artwork, however you want to call it, and just kind of put them up on my wall. Now this wall goes a little bit more to the right, and I want to actually fill up this wall, so I'm just like collecting artwork and inspirational signs that I see in stores wherever I am. Dollar Tree. These are some new items that I found at the Dollar Tree. Okay. This love sign. It was cute. I was surprised because the Dollar Tree is definitely stepping up their game as far as their home decor is concerned. So this is nice. The teal color. I love it. And I also want to show you some of the artwork that I've been working on, which is just upgrading the Dollar Tree art that I have been purchasing. Because, you know, okay, you're probably all familiar with this sign. Glitter, sparkle, shine, but most of all be kind. All I did was I took the frame out. I took the picture out of the frame. I bought some glitter. I had some scissors, some glue and whatnot. And all I did was cover this up with glue like you would do in kindergarten. And I just sprinkled some of that glitter on here. And it's like shining now. Before it was dull and lackluster. And it was nice, but now I made it nicer. To me, I think I made it nicer. And when I have this up, when I had it like on my little... I had it on my file cabinet back here and the light was shining. It's actually sparkling, like the glitter is sparkling, like it looks so much better. And I didn't want to mess with this part, even though I could put glitter on this word shine, but I didn't want to do too much to it. So that's that piece. This one you saw in my last video. I'm really proud of this one because like literally I was walking around the Dollar Tree looking for more signs, more artwork, and I found this picture of the cucumber, of a pineapple, and I was like, this looks nice, but it's so plain. It's just whack. So I just, you know, you can go to my other video and watch how I did that. So I'm really proud of this one. This one, guys, I was working on this. I'm done with it, and I recorded myself making it, a tutorial, and I really don't know why, but the devil is working against me. He does not want me to upload, which is why I lost some of the footage of me doing the glitter, and the other, I just don't know. The OneDrive and the Google Drive just not working for me, so I have to go back and start using my phone to record, even though I have a really nice camera. But anyway, I digress. This is another piece of Dollar Tree artwork that I upgraded, so you could thank me, Dollar Tree. And with this, I found just some of the flowers that you can find in, let me get it, hold on. Okay, so you see my Dollar Tree bag. All I do is find flowers, you know how they have the plastic flowers. I just cut the leaves off and glue it to the picture, however, you know, they fit. And this was I already cut it up because I told you I lost my footage. I'm so pissed. But anyway, I gave this palm tree some life with some sparkly green flowers, and this was a little hole from when I ripped it off the stem, and all I did was rose gold color glitter and put it right there, so it just really like fit right in. Some like it hot. This is pretty, and this is definitely gonna sparkle when the sunlight is on it. And last but not least, some of my addition to the Dollar Tree home decor. This portrait, Love is in the Air. This was just plain green and white, and I went ahead and just outlined the mason jar with glitter, like nothing fancy. It was easy to do. And if you want to spice up your Dollar Tree artwork, your Dollar Tree home decor, because it can come a little plain. You can always spice it up and make it to where you like it. You could even do the letters if you wanted to make it really, really pop and sparkle, or you could just give it a subtle appearance so that it's not too bright and too blingy. So this was just right for me. My daughters want these ones that I just did, so I'm going to give it to them. I'm just going to keep on finding artwork to upgrade. So this is Take the One Less Traveled. This is a really nice quote, which means don't go the way everybody goes, because you're going to get the same results that they get. So if you take your own route, if you make your own path to whatever it is that you are trying to do, you will find more success that way. That's just what that means. Not many people have gone that way. And Dream. This is really pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Dreamcatcher without the feathers at the bottom. And if you have a really skinny glittery pen, you could, and I forgot the name of it, but I'm thinking of just, you know, going in and like making this pop. This is a nice piece that you could just, you know, you could either just cover the dream or you could cover the actual leaves around it. But I wouldn't do both, just to give it some life, but not too much life. Here's another pineapple that I was going to attempt to upgrade, but I could not find the stems again that I used for the other one to go ahead and do this. So I think I'm going to do something different with this one. So stay tuned for more of my Dollar Tree upgrades. Love Lives Here. Again, these are all from the Dollar Tree. Again, you could do whatever you want to this portrait. You can just do the heart. You can do the background. Anything to give it life. That's just what I'm trying to do, without spending a ton of money. Like, why do you have to spend so much money when you could do that yourself? This one, Enjoy Today. I don't know if you can really see that. It's like a water, reflection of water. And it just says, Enjoy Today. This is, to me, it's like a blank canvas. There are so many things you can do with the Dollar Tree art. It really is. Live, Laugh, and Love. Trimming, you could just like bling that right out, like right out. It's for you. Life is a journey. This, I could spice this up, but I don't know. I might just leave this by itself. It looks nice this way. All things don't need to be upgraded. This one I got yesterday from TJ Maxx, and it was clearance, $4. And I liked it because it was black, and it has this on the back, which means you're supposed to just use it and hang it up as is. But you know me, I'm probably going to try to find a way to get this paper off. Let me see, because I know sometimes, yeah, it has the frame behind it, so you could take it out. And of course, bling out those hearts and make them pop. This is cute. I love it because it was black. It's dusty because it was just there for $4, so I just got it. And it has the hook, so when you're done with it, you can just hang it up wherever you choose. So that's my Dollar Tree home decor / my addition to the Dollar Tree decor haul. And if you like the artwork that I did, if you like my upgrades, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.